Emilia, and this is the 3D model that I created of the brain. I wanted to use products that I already had around the house, so I used recycled cardboard and construction paper. Okay, so this large pink area represents the cerebrum, which is the largest part of the brain. It is responsible for touch, vision, hearing, speech, reasoning, learning, emotions, and fine motor skills. Anterior to this is the frontal lobe. So the frontal lobe controls your motor function. It's in control of your hands, toes, lips, wrists, and many other parts of your body. While it is in control of many physicalities, it also helps with the function of social skills, problem solving, judgment, language, and sexual behavior. There are two separate sides to the brain. They do very different things but communicate very well with each other. To start, the left hemisphere helps with analytical thought, logic, language, reasoning, science and math, written numbers, as well as right-hand control. The right hemisphere promotes art awareness, creativity, imagination, intuition, insight, music, and left-hand control. The parietal lobe is in charge of sensory inputs. The sensory cortex controls fine sensations such as shape, size, texture, judgment, touch, and pressure. The occipital lobe is responsible mainly for vision. Damage to this lobe could result in loss of sight with difficulty in seeing colors and possibly even hallucinations. Anterior to the cerebellum is the temporal lobe, and the temporal lobe processes emotion, language, and even vision. Damage to this lobe may result in memory loss. So right at the bottom of the brain is the cerebellum, and the cerebellum is in charge of things that we often don't find ourselves thinking about. It assists with our swallowing, breathing, body posture, and even body temperature. The commissural fibers, or also known as the commissural tracts, is the white matter that connects the left hemisphere of the brain to the right hemisphere of the brain. Lastly, your brain stem is basically what is in charge of keeping you alive. It helps you breathe in air, digest food, it circulates blood. It's what is connecting your brain to your spinal cord and the rest of your body.